Making money online in Nigeria is no longer a dream. It's a real opportunity. With just a phone, internet connection, and the right skills, you can start earning from anywhere. In this video, I'll show you practical ways Nigerians are making money online today. One of the easiest ways to make money online is freelancing. If you can write, design, edit videos, code, or manage social media, people all over the world are willing to pay for your skills. You offer a service, complete the job, and get paid. Another powerful option is content creation. Platforms like YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram allow you to earn through ads, brand deals, and sponsorships. All it takes is consistency, creativity, and patience. You can also make money by selling products online. This could be physical items or digital products. You list your products, receive orders, and deliver to customers, all without needing a physical shop. Affiliate marketing lets you earn commissions by promoting other people's products. You share a special link, and when someone buys through your link, you earn money. No product creation required. Learning an online skill can open doors to remote jobs that pay in foreign currency. Skills like graphic design, writing, data analysis, and virtual assistants are in high demand worldwide. Digital products are a smart way to earn passively. You create something once, like an ebook or online course, and sell it repeatedly. This allows your money to work for you. Success online takes time. Stay consistent, avoid get-rich-quick schemes, and focus on building real skills. If it sounds too good to be true, it probably is. The best time to start making money online was yesterday. The next best time is today. Choose one method, stay focused, and take action. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and join me for more money-making tips.